Hello, my friends. When you get my goods, you must want to know how to connect a pump with controller. Okay, here we show you how to do it. Okay, so first, when you want to know how to connect, you can check from the menu on page 8. You can see on the menu this one. We connect the pump with controller without water level sensors. This one is with water level sensors. And now I want to show you directly. This is controller. Open it. You will see it very clear here. Switch. DC plus, DC minus, UVW. Okay. Now we want to show you how to connect. This is a pump cable. And on the cable, you can see U, V, W, okay? So put the cable through it. And the pump cable U connect with the U. The second one is V. Okay, connect it with V on the controller box. The last one is W. Okay, now we finish the connection with the pump and the controller. Later, if you use the battery, you need to also connect with DC plus or DC minus. And if you use the panel, you can also need to connect all. There's two. Here is the two cables from the panel. The red one is plus and the black one is minus. Okay. Okay, when you finish the connection, just turn on the switch and the system is working. Thank you.